let me make this video and put you on to what is working right now on YouTube. For those of you who wanting to start YouTube, listen, I just need you to start, okay? Just start. Okay, what do I create? What kind of content to create? And how do I grow on YouTube? I'm going to be telling you what kind of content you can create in order to grow on YouTube and get this bag like everyone else, okay? And even if you don't get the bag, you're going to learn a valuable skill. All right, you're gonna learn valuable skills today. Let me just sit this up right here. Wait, right here. I just needed to put my hand in my pocket because it's cold outside. Valuable lesson. You really don't have to do much right now. When I just started YouTube, it took me 5 hours to edit a video. 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, and I cried and I cried and I never gave up. Actually, I did until I didn't, right? But right now, it's on easy mode. YouTube is on easy mode. You don't need to edit for 5 hours. All you need to do is take out your camera and record just like I'm doing right now, okay? That's literally all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Yes, it is cold outside, but I needed to come outside to just get a 5 minutes walk. And guess what I'm doing? I decided to walk with my phone and breathe in the fresh air and actually record and share this with you. So, okay, like I said, YouTube is on easy mode, what to create and how to get views. Now, if you're starting off from brand new, I wanted to sit down. If you're starting off from brand new, here's what you need to do. Depending on your niche, do you know what you want to go into? Do you know what kind of content you want to create? Or you just want to gain 1,000 followers? If you want to gain 1,000 followers, the fastest way you can gain 1,000 followers, yes, making videos, long form videos is great, but shorts actually will get you there. That is what got me to getting over 1,000 subscribers. So if you really, really want to get that 1,000 subscribers, I recommend creating shorts. Oh, Queenie, what type of shorts? There's this type of shorts called the psychological facts. Just like different facts, different games you could play. And I kid you not, because you don't want to steal other people's content because they have a lot of copyrights and you just don't want to run into that problem on your account. So I would just recommend just creating those psychological facts when it comes to female, male, sex, your horoscope, just like all those information about that you can literally create. You can Google it and you're going to see a lot of other people creating stuff like that and getting thousands of views. And if you create at least 3 a day, within a week, you probably would be up by 100, 200 followers. It is proven because I have an account that I done it on and I create like 11 of those videos and I already gained almost 100 subscribers. So that is something that you can do for sure. Or if you just want to document your own journey and create shorts pertaining to your life, go right ahead and do it. But I don't recommend stealing people's content and trying to put it as your own, even though that's an option and you can't do that. I just don't want you to fall into any problems in the long run and just create your own content. Basically, start by, because you're going to learn that skill. You're going to learn how to edit. You're going to learn how to search for these different items. You're going to learn so much when you start to do that and you start to try to research stuff for your niche. It's going to be really great for you. Walk. Yeah, it's going to be really great for your niche. And let me know, guys, my kids are sleeping right now. And I decided to take a walk outside and just to get some fresh air. Why not? A 5 minutes walk wouldn't do no harm, right? And guys, I am literally recording this because I know when I reach back inside, oh, the breeze is strong. Woo. I know when I reach back inside, I don't have any time to record because when they wake up, I do have to tend to them, etc., etc. So I decided for this 5 minutes, why not just record this and share it with you guys, okay? Let me just take this right here. Why not just record this for you guys? Oh, this fallen. Oh, Queenie, you did it. I'm such a kid to heart. We all are. But that's just one way this mountain looks so good. That is just one way you can gain your followers right now. The other thing is, okay, what do I create? Guys, there's so many things that you can start creating. What I don't recommend is you vlogging your life. That has not worked for me in the past. And if anyone don't know you, they don't really care about your life, right? You want to provide value in one way or the other. Now, yes, you can vlog in a way where you provide value. Let's just say you're going to a city. Maybe you could vlog 10 things to do in Texas. I don't know. I'm not in Texas. 10 things to do in Texas. 10 places to go. 5 places to go. 3 things. 3 of the most popular places in X, Y, and Z. So that it is searchable one, and you know people will be looking for that. But you are vlogging it and providing that information. So you want to always provide information that they can take from your video, right? So that's one way. Okay, if you insist, okay, I want to vlog. Yes, just change it up a little bit. That way you're providing, it's searchable, and you are providing information for people, okay? So that's one thing, if you so desire to vlog. Now, the next thing you want to create is just document your journey on YouTube. I sure a lot of you who are watching here right now, guys, if you're new here, go ahead and comment down below so that you can join the family. I can follow you, you can follow me. And if anyone comment, go ahead and follow them, check them out, let them know you follow them, and so forth, and just build a community. And this is how you're going to start building community, and people are going to start recognizing you. Guys, it's a little bit windy outside, so hopefully you can still hear what I'm saying before I make my way back in. The next type of content you want to create is, like I say, document your journey on YouTube. And I know you probably think, I don't have a lot of subscribers, so what should I talk about? Talk about your journey. Talk about let's just check. You always check in your analytics. I know I always check in my analytics. Try talk about that. Say, I know I'm not the only one, and I always check my analytics on YouTube and kind of talk about that, and then talk about your experience, and then talk about your journey. Talk about the first time you post a video. Talk about how you felt, you know, when you post a video, and your goals as well. Kind of just letting people know and sharing with others, because a lot of people just want to know, because a lot of people, just like you and myself, we're just trying to make it here, okay? Another content you can create is really popping off right now on YouTube is talking about your jobs, talking about your challenges in your jobs, or if you talk about your challenges, you want to also provide information that will help people to overcome those challenges, right? That way you're not just sharing the negative, but you're also helping them to see the positive as well. Or you're providing them with information so that they can take and apply in their life as well. So I always want to provide some kind of value in my video. No matter what I'm doing, whether I'm talking about God, whether I'm talking about growing on social media, whether I'm talking about making money, I always provide some type of value. For me, I also would urge you guys, if you're into spirituality, self-development, that has been popping off on YouTube from since probably late last year, still popping off right now. Go ahead and document your journey. Start off, if you start in your spiritual journey, go ahead and document it. Start your spiritual journey. Tell them what you're doing. Document your 5 a.m. If you're waking up 5 a.m. in the morning, you just share it with them. And that way, yes, in a sense, that is like a vlog style, but you're providing value, and it's a little bit different than just randomly the way you word your title, you know. How to be productive. 5 a.m. productivity. The most productive morning starts from 5 a.m. You know, people was like, they might probably click on it. And so that way, it's not just a vlog. You understand what I'm saying? You're providing value. You're showing them what to do, how you're doing it, and how it's changing your life. Now, with that being said, guys, those are some of the content ideas you can go ahead with. Guys, if you are watching this, hi, if you are watching this and you are already on this journey, you are already on this journey and you have some other ideas that you can do, please comment it down below so people can have some ideas that they can actually start creating videos on. But these are just some of the videos I wanted to create for you guys, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I am telling you, all you need to do is press record and record. Look at me. I literally just come outside for a walk and I'm doing this. And I'm sharing it with you guys. It doesn't take much when you're documenting your journey. And another thing, a lot of people might say, I don't have time, Queenie. I don't have time to do it. You do have time. Trust me. You scroll on social media. You commute to work. If you commute to work, if you drive to work, that is your time there. That is your time to actually pull out your phone and start recording. If you drive to work for half an hour, if you take a half an hour, 15 minutes to go to work, as soon as you get in the car, say a prayer, calm your mind, And then all you can do is start recording within the vehicle. So that is how you're going to incorporate creating content into your daily life. And that is how I am doing it. And I think that's the best way. Yes, sometimes I do set aside time to actually sit down and create content in the nighttime, but normally during a regular day when I have the kiddos, when I take them out for a walk, I will come on and share this with you because why not? Don't overthink it. Pull out your camera. I start school on Monday, Tuesday, I don't know, next week. And what am I going to do? Guys, what am I going to do? I'm going to still keep up when it comes to posting videos like this. I'm going to take out my phone, my break from class. I'm going to take it out and record. Lunchtime, I do have a lunch period. I will eat my lunch and then I probably have like a 10 minutes to spare. Take on my phone and I will start to record. That is how you build content into your daily life. And I hope that with these tips, it can really help you to make a difference. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and start creating content.